Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to create Grindr account. So Grindr is a gay dating platform. So if you want to create the account, for that what you have to do is launch open Grindr application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Once you open the Grindr application, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to log into your account. But if you do not have the account yet and if you want to sign up for your account, simply tap on the sign up option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll have to agree to the terms and conditions of the service. Simply tap on the option next that you can see on your screen. Now tap on the accept option that you can see on the screen. Again, agree to the privacy and cookie policy. Tap on the option next. Now tap on the option accept. Now you can see over here you'll have to choose your birthday. First of all, enter your month. Now enter your day. Likewise, enter the year. Now after doing that, tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. What you have to do is simply enter your email address and create a password for yourself, or instead of that you can also continue with Facebook or Google. So simply tap on the sign up method that you'd like to use. Here I'm just going to enter my email, so tap on the field of email. Now provide your email address over here. After doing that, create a password for yourself. Your password must contain at least 8 characters, so simply create the password accordingly. Now confirm your password. Now after doing that, what you have to do is simply tap on the option create account. Now you can see over here you'll have to verify your account. What you have to do is simply enter your phone number over here. So what you have to do is enter your phone number. Also make sure to select the country code. Simply tap on the field of country code. After that you can see over here you'll be able to select the country. Tap on the country of your choice. After that simply enter your phone number over here. Now after entering your phone number, what you have to do is tap on the option send code. Now you can see over here a 6-digit code will be sent to your phone number. All you have to do is enter that code over here. Check your messages app and simply enter the code. Here I've already entered it. Now tap on the option verify. Now you can see over here your account has been verified. Tap on the OK option. Now you can see over here you'll have to complete your profile. You'll have to add your photo. Also you'll have to enter your display name over here. So simply add your photo. Tap on the option add photo. You can either take a photo or you can also choose from gallery. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to tap on the option choose from gallery. Choose the photo that you want to upload. Now tap on the next option. You'll be able to see the thumbnail preview over here. Tap on the done option. Now also enter your display name over here. Simply enter the name that you would like to display. Now if you want to show the age, toggle this button on right next to the option show age. Also what you have to do is select what you're looking for. Simply tap on the field looking for. Now you can see over here you'll be able to find the options over here. Tap on the option of your choice. Tap on the OK option. Now tap on the option save that you can see on your screen. Now you can see over here your Grindr account has easily been created. So like this, you'll be able to create Grindr account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.